Good morning and welcome to America's Home Cooking. Today we are going to be making world bread. They recommend to make this for people who haven't really worked with sourdoughs. And you're going to need your sponge culture on this one. Now I'm going to show you how active mine is. Can you see those bubbles? That's how active mine is, and it's actually pulling itself up. You see that? So what you're going to have to do before you can even measure it is, well, as you can see, it's going to overrun, which it does 90% of the time with me. You need a half a cup of sponge culture, and as you can see, it's very, very active. It's just overrunning. Okay. I'm going to have to clean this up before I can do much of anything with it. So be very careful. Remember when I said make sure you have a clearance with it? Because it's bubbling up and it's not even stopping. And I have to stir this to bring it down. But I can't do that right now because we're making bread, so I'll just wait a bit and I'll come back to it. Let me get the lid back on it. Get back in the refrigerator and slow it down a little. Now you saw it bubbling up, so it shows you just how active this culture is. And this is our sponge culture. And I still have to feed it too. But I want to get the bread started first. All right, now they want us, this is a half a cup of the sponge culture. You're going to add 1 cup of cold water to this. And to this, we are going to add 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. What you're going to do is you're going to beat this. So mix it up thoroughly because you're going to activate that yeast. As you can see, it's quite active. It'll be nice and smooth, and that's what you want. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to proof this 12 hours. So that'll be this evening. And this evening, this is what you're going to do this evening. You're going to add 1 more cup of flour and 1/4 of a cup of water. You're going to mix it really thoroughly till smooth, and then you're going to proof it till tomorrow morning. So I will see you tomorrow morning, and we will put this recipe together. See you then.